So I'm a physical therapist, but I am an educator. And here are some things I have learned as being a healthcare provider and an educator. It is hard to force the hand of someone. I don't enjoy having to force the hand of someone. So if you have to educate them to get them to hear you, it probably won't be good. If they don't know, then they're not even probably going to give you the right dosage or the right medication. It's not worth it. So this sounds terrible, but I jokingly seriously say to people, cut your losses and you're going to have to do a different doctor for your hormones, specifically someone who is trained. You can go to the Menopause Society, type in your zip code, find a NAMS, North American Menopause Society practitioner. You can go on TikTok and see that there's a lot of telehealth providers like MIDI Health, My Alloy, Health by Heather Hirsch. Some of them take insurance, some of them don't. But I love education. I love educating doctors. I actually used to do things like this. Now I focus directly on educating patients because I believe there is greater joy in educating people directly, but I don't think you're going to change their heart. And I also think it might make them dig their heels in. Every now and then there are doctors that are exceptionally open to having that conversation and looking at new research, but that's not always the norm. And so I say, get a second opinion. Now, let me say this kindly. Remember, you are awesome and you're a complex being. We get second opinions for jeans, swimsuits, cars. It's not a personal offense if we want a second opinion for our healthcare. And if somebody comes and sees me as a second opinion, I'm always very respectful of who came before me. Or if somebody doesn't mesh with me, I am also respectful of that because there are many, many people taking care of us. And so we need to find one that fits you for this stage of life, because this stage of life is very different than the catching babies and surgery stage. This is more chemistry, lifestyle modifications, and it's a lot of brain power. It's a lot of brain power.